Hello out there to all the YouTube people, the people that like to watch YouTube, the people that like Diecast. This is the Big Elvis Diecast review. Today we're going to do a Hot Wheels Silver Series opening and review of the Hybrid Speed. So the Hybrid Speed cars, that's the ones that's in the set. We're going to take a look at them. Some pretty cool little cars in this set. And let's just get started. The first one up in the set, there is the card art for it. Very cool. And this is the BMW i8 Roadster. And part of that Silver Series. Let's pop her out and check them out. Now these Silver Series sets are a step below premium. Excuse me. A step above the regular. So they do have tampos all the way around. There is that front end of that BMW. There's your side. Not sure if I like those wheels. What you call those wheels? I should probably know by now, but kind of a 4-slot style wheel. There is the back end, and this would be a motor with electric car. There is your interior. Let's just check out the bottom, see what she says. What's all the information we can gather. And it is the BMW i8 Roadster. There is your copyright date, 2018. So this little guy's been out for a while. Let's put it on the turntable. Got it on the turntable there, rotating around. Our next one up is the Lamborghini Cyan, I guess, FKP 37. So another hybrid style car. And let's pull him out. Get him under the scope. I do like the color. Same style of rims. There is your front end. That Lamborghini logo. Kind of interesting there. You can see the windshield wipers. So what do you think of these cars? These some of these are supercars. There you got your license plate detailing across the back. Of course, your motor would be back here. It's kind of hard to see through that glass. But there it is overall. Electric motors built onto it to be a hybrid. This was a 2021 copyright. So this car's been out for a little while as well. Let's replace. Put her up there. Going up to our next one, the McLaren. The McLaren P1. And there is the card art on it. Very cool. See that wing is designed to pop up as your speed increases and all. And let's check this one out. The McLaren P1. A little different style wheel on that one. There is your front end. You can see some interior, the dash and that. Of course, your rear engine car. Pretty nice. Do like this style of rim a little better. Of course, these all have some kind of wild rims. Wild taillights. Guess these cars could be on the street, but I wouldn't want to drive one. 2014 copyright date. There is your information on the bottom there. Diffusers, rear diffusers molded in. It's pretty neat. McLaren. Let's get the Lamborghini down and we'll roll with the McLaren. Next one up. And I've seen some people, real YouTubers, talk about this that do the real cars, real car YouTubers. The Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sport. I ain't even saying all that at the bottom. Some don't like this car. Some say the car's grown on them since its release. So, what do you say? What do you think? Are you a Porsche fan? Is this something you could deal with? Pretty nice. The headlights in this, they're part of the plastic windshield, which is kind of cool because it makes them look inserted. There's your front with your Porsche. There's your side. See what that says. Can we zoom in on that enough to see what it says? Is it hybrid or just Porsche? Don't know. I'm too daggum shaky to keep it still. But that's kind of a cool little car. If you wanted a Porsche and wanted to be able to take people with you, well, that's definitely the way to do it. At Panamera. What do you think? If you're a true Porsche fan, is that something that you would like to drive? All right, here we go. Last in the set. And there she is. There's the card art on it. The 17 Acura NSX. And this one, as I've said many times, this is a cool car. Clean, sharp, nice car put out by Acura. Like the wheels on it a lot better than 6 spokes. There's your back end. Nicely done. Nice and clean. That's what I do like. There you can see the rear end. There you can see the some of the cockpit. It's kind of hard to see in there. This does have open window on the side, so you can zoom into it and see it. But this is the metal base one. And I have said metal many times. Some are saying that the metal bases are chases. They are not. You could get a metal base. Well, every Silver Series that I've opened, there's at least one metal base. Some of them have 2. The set that I opened up, the vintage cars, the 68 vintage, actually had 2 cars with metal bases in it. This is 2015 copyright date. If you see anything other than Walmart, because Walmart puts it that it's chases, and they're not. If you look on the Hot Wheels app, you will see. Some people have told me that the Hot Wheels app said they were chase, and now they've redone it, and they're not chases. So tell me what you think of that. But there is that beautiful NSX right there. And there are the 5. The Hot Wheels Silver Series Hybrid Speed. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you can prove that the metal base in the packs are chases, it'd be the only Hot Wheels chases that I've seen. The premium sets, the chase is usually black. It always has a 0 number on it to designate that it's a chase. These do not. These are all 1 through 5. And let me know. You think that's a cool set or not? Pretty sharp set in my opinion. This is the Big Elvis Diecast review. We'll catch you on the next one. Y'all take care of each other out there.